Everything is gone in there.
Shows on TV is coming to MyPHL 17 weeknights. That's Jeremy Piven in the acclaimed comedy series Entourage, where the day-to-day life of a Hollywood actor is anything but ordinary. Entourage premieres September 13th, right here on MyPHL 17.
September pretty soon, isn't it?
It is just 2 days away, Wills. Or I guess 3 days.
Where'd it go?
When we begin the bottom of the second, your Victoria.